Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Do let me know if my sound and screen is coming okay by typing a 1 for me if you are here. All right, so do let me know if my sound and screen is okay. Of course, I do appreciate if those who are joining me right now help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, please. Okay, we're gonna start right now. Again, before I start, just want to do a quick disclaimer. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion this morning, make sure you got your own trading plan. All right, and of course, if not, get advice from the professional. So while we go to relook into the markets again, right? Last week has been a boring week. Not only last week, I think since like 2 3 weeks back. Okay, we have been in kind of like a boring weeks already. All right, so hopefully things getting better slightly for this week, and moving forward towards this September, we will see a little bit of rally lah. So again, no setups. Then we will actually avoid first. Okay, the market will kill some cash, then we'll come back on later on. Okay, so I think last Friday also I do have made some exit already from the markets. Okay, now let's go into the overall FBM KLCI for today. Let's see what is the direction. We look into the sectors as well if we want to. So again, okay, this is 26. This is today. Okay, today is still the same. Okay, so for me, as long as like I say above 1630 level, I would think that okay, overall still fine, still got chance. Okay, but again, expect a little bit of retest around 1630 area because this one over here, this candle on 20 August, actually is a shooting star candle with high volume. All right, so I think during the last Friday, okay, during the last Friday, we talked about shakeout, right? So one of the patterns this, okay, so most of the time when you see this possible, okay, they will have a little bit of shakeout will happen, okay, for the overall stocks, okay, if let's say you're stock having that, okay, I think last week, last Friday during the shakeout course, we talked about two way, okay, to check possible shakeout. One of them is this. All right, so I think that yeah, maybe it will retest 163 or maybe go a little bit deeper before they push back with the shakeout again. So now let's look into the overall so-called the calcium indices. All right, we based on volume. We're looking into volume. Okay, technology. Okay, I think due to the interest rate issue, right? So okay, a weak rebound. Actually, nothing much to see also. So this one for me also still in a inverse pullback. Okay, this one I believe also, even though today is up, but mostly up with not a very strong bar. Of course, at the moment. Hey, good morning, Justman. Good morning. Thank you for joining me. So again, based on current this hour over here, I will still think that need to be careful. Okay, because lots of stocks actually the background here, they are forming these so-called inverse pullback patterns, and mostly actually come from the gap. All right. So for me, it's not very healthy yet. Again, last Friday I do cut some stocks already. Uh, I think best is that currently I still want to hold a little bit of cash right now. So okay, now indices wise, I really cannot find anything that is nice. Okay, energy. Okay, looks okay so far. Looks like they are still trying to go back the gap area, but again, I would think that I need to be more careful because of these two candles here coming with volume. All right. Logistic also looks like it's not very strong as well. I think most is not very strong. Healthcare also closed below the gaps again. All right, even though the mpox issue, but looks like it's only the few days. But again, who knows, the mpox will be more serious later on. Right now, I think today or yesterday, I think they mentioned Thailand also got few cases already. Okay, so not sure, right, whether they will continue to spread or not, right? The mpox disease. So okay, I think in this is nothing much. Okay, we look into some stock. Let me know any stocks that you have for me. All right, if not, probably we're just gonna end our section very quickly, around 10 or minutes to 20 minutes. Nothing much. Okay, like I say, I just want to do a quick review overall for the overall market every day. What is the direction overall? If let's say no direction, we'll be patient, right? So the other one counters that I feel that okay, this one is still quite steady at the moment is this is Kuskapi lah. Kuskapi actually I didn't really follow. I just wanted doing some study. Okay, suddenly I see hey, this one's still holding around the 20 minute. Today try to go back to 40 MA. All right. So again, don't need to rush to enter yet. Okay, we put in our alerts. Okay, you can actually use XIFU apps alerts is live. Okay, whenever you do, you put in your watches, your portfolios, your stocks, right? Any announcement, okay, actually it will alert you. Okay, it will alert you. So like for example, if let's say got any new announcement, corporate announcement, analyst report, if let's say have your stocks it will send you a notification. So from there, normally won't miss any update from the stocks that you have. Okay, including news as well. Hello, morning Ruku. Okay, now I look into your stock first I look into your stock. Like I said, I don't have much. I don't have any stock for you all. Probably I go into the pullback alerts or some of the stocks that we checked last week. Okay, now for SNS, okay. Now if you ask me, I think setup wise, not that great. Okay, setup wise not that great. Okay, shakeout possible. Okay, again last Friday. Now anyone here actually attended the last Friday? Type 1 for me. The shakeout stocks. Sorry, the shakeout patterns. So this one possible is the shakeout patterns. Okay, so very important. This 650 level must hold. Okay, 650 level must hold. If let's say it didn't hold 650 level, it's a bit dangerous. Okay, I think on the course itself, I also got to explain why I prefer shakeout complete. So shakeout complete normally it give more certainty. Okay, this one's still a bit uncertain. It will drop lower one. So that's why 650 level. Okay, you must pay attention to this. Okay, if not, again use my support resistance. So yeah, I think my support also same thing 650. It's a support. This is S1. Okay, break below. Worst come to worst S2 law. This one not the hammer law. 615 area. Okay, so for those who following SNS, you probably want to use the trading plan that I provided over here. Okay, actually it's in the XIFU app there extra you can go look into it. Okay, if let's say didn't cross here 755, I would still think that this one is not that setup wise not that strong. Okay, setup wise not that strong. Okay, but if you really want to enter, I think S1 is a good idea for you to watch out for. Okay, so there's a quick one for SNS. So let's do into SMRT. SMRT, I think also they cannot close gap if not mistaken. All right, so yes, this is the gap They have to cross So again, S1 I think building up very nicely. Okay, 110 area probably you want to use it as your support. But again, this resistance will be stubborn. Okay, good lots of sellers over here. Notice goes up, rejection, push back down. So 120 is your resistance, immediate resistance. Of course, the main one will be here 140 as marked by this R1. But normally, if I see gaps and got rejection, that would be your immediate resistance also. Okay, so you see it as a S1. Okay, setup in terms of trend wise, I think SMRT is slightly better than SNS. Trend wise so if you want to enter if you focus the S1 for short-term trading, okay, short-term opportunities. Okay, now let's go into red tone. I think red tone not too bad if not mistaken. Last Friday also double survive. Okay, this one actually got shakeout Okay, now looks like heading to another shakeout. Okay, heading to another shakeout. Now be more comfortable if the price trade above 106. Okay, because last Friday a bit high volume. Okay, sometimes a bit high volume, a bit takut also. So this one, but I can say trend is beginning. Okay, so again, I'm not sure just now you're looking for entry exit. If you're looking for enter, I think I would prefer 106 and above. Okay, because here sometimes it will retest back to this support level again, 935 area. So 935. Now it's how much? R1. Okay, back to here also 10% if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so less than 10%. So if let's say we test back to this area over here. So for me, best to go back to 106. Do a shakeout compare, I think it's nicer in this case over here. Because the last Friday candle a bit high volume. Normally you want to see the drop below support below volume. CCK definitely is better. Way better. Okay, way better. So okay, now here we got a shakeout. This is what we call a shakeout. Okay, pushing back, Okay, we test above resistance, now still looking good, but I'm not sure just one is looking for entry exit. Okay, if let's say looking for entry, S1 level over here, maybe I think somewhere around this level quite good, 170 level can focus on. So if let's say use hourly chart, okay, I think right now not much of a trending stock. If let's say using our chart, I think yeah, hitting the 40 MA quite nicely, holding well. Okay, so far again based on daily chart, also I don't see any weaknesses. Okay, based on the daily chart currently. Entry wise, I think 170 is a good idea to focus to look into. Okay, any other stocks? So far I only got 4. Okay, any other one want to comment anything? Okay, if not, just look into my so-called pullbacks list over here if I can spot anything. Okay, welcome Jasman. Okay, but bank very far away from 20 MA already. Harbor. Okay, whether we see got reversal or not. Okay, looks like going to do reversal, but wait until the closing. Sometimes here will form a shooting star one. Okay, tricky market especially when up with low volume. Sometimes it's a bit tricky one. Okay, downtrending, pushback. Okay, oh, some more here got gaps. Okay, need to be careful. Some more here got gaps. Okay, so let's say here got shooting star. Okay, avoid lah. Hey, morning Naranjans. Good morning. Okay, any stock? Kim Loon. Today mostly boring stock. Hey, Kim Loon macam good though. Okay, closing gap. Okay, looks like going to close gap today. Okay, but this one I think for long term movement a bit slow one this counter here. Okay, movement a bit slow. Okay, cannot find anything sir. Gamuda. Okay. Okay. B yep. Okay, can review Simprop. Can. I'll take a look later on. Okay, Gamuda also fighting at the gaps quite some time already. Not a clear winner yet but okay if let's say drop below gaps, okay, you all be careful Gamuda. I think Gamuda got lots of so-called fans also right now. Okay, let's get into Simprop Simprop. Okay. Okay. Looking for entry exit, you have to let me know. Again, you have to let me know also looking for long-term, short-terms. Okay, few things now, normally hammer is good. Okay, hammer is good. But hammer, if let's say they make a confirmation is better, but this one looks like they are trading below hammer. Okay, if you ask me, not really a good sign. Okay, at the moment. So now look back into this daily chart over here. Okay, again, same thing. Okay, same things, right? We have this so-called gap. Okay, and gap is for so-called resistance. Gap normally is resistance. Okay, okay. Short term looking for exit. Okay, now it's clearer. So now if you're looking for exit, I think you should focus this line over here, which is 149 or 150 area. Okay, so this line will be your immediate resistance. Okay, will be your immediate resistance. So of course here is the main one. Okay, here's the main one because currently market is so weak, not trending. Okay, gaps will be your immediate resistance. So if you want to looking for short-term exit, maybe you want to try 150 or 149 area. Okay, but if you ask me the overall sell right now based on daily chart, again not very ideal because it looks like an inverse pullback and the shaker is not complete yet. Okay, the shakeout is not complete yet. Again, at this stage over here, if you have attended the shakeout course last Friday, at this stage we still don't know yet whether it's shakeout or inverse pullback. Okay, but for me, this volume here is too high already. Okay, let me remove lah. So this two volume here is a bit high. Normally, shakeout volume should not be that high, especially when you retest the gap area. Okay, especially when you retest the gap area. Okay, so let's look into Genetech, right? Genetech. Okay, your thought on Genentech, why it is dropping? Okay, now the reasons for why it dropped, I'm not sure because I don't follow news. Let's check if let's say got any news or not Genentech got any news This is on 29 May. Okay, so which means latest one no news Okay, I'm not sure whether this one not updated or really memang tak ada news lah. I not sure lah. But okay, why is it dropping? That one I really not sure. But okay, now let's look into the chart setups. This one I have to use weekly chart already. So weekly chart, okay, here is the main support. I remember someone asked me, I can't recall, is it through Facebook or through Telegram? Okay, now I says that this 18186 level, which is this line over here, is your main support. Drop below, I don't think it's a good sign, which is yes, not a good sign right now. Okay. Now, if you ask me, is it bottom ready? Again, I don't think so yet. Okay. Now, this is a high volume, climatic volume, no doubt. Okay, and I say normally climatic volume, it can change the trend. Okay, for example, okay, this is again for those attended last month pullback course, even like the last Friday one checkout course. I think you all know market stages through volume. Okay, I think I do explain as well. So normally you see high volume, right? You got a chance to make some changes in the trend. Okay, so over here, high volume. Notice here this is the high volume, right? So this is the beginning of the down bar. Maybe some will say that okay, probably here we will reverse back, but I don't think so. Because why? This high volume here actually break below support. If high volume, like for example, previously like Shangri-La, right? They are the bottom, okay, which means they are already in downtrend, high volume. Then chances for them to reverse is higher. But this one break below support recently. So I'm not sure. So currently, 1 ringgit, I believe is the immediate resistance, immediate support right now. Okay. If you want to enter based on excitement, I think yes. But if let's say setup wise, I think no. Okay. If let's say you want to buy hold for what, I think currently no. Okay, currently no. So if you really keen and want to, not sure whether you want to look for entry exit, you have to let me know. So again, setup wise, I don't think it's a good setup. Okay, I don't think it's a good setup. But if you really keen and want to enter, even hourly chart no setup lah. Really, if let's say you really want to enter, you use hourly reversal. But even hourly currently, I don't see any good setups. Okay, so if you want to enter, maybe tomorrow we look into it again. Okay, who knows? Maybe tomorrow we've got a short-term reversal, so then we can do a little bit of short-term if you want to. Okay, but currently weekly chart lah, daily chart lah, hourly chart lah, no setups. Okay, Isaac can look into PCAM. Okay, looking for entry. Okay, PCAM I think also one of the stocks that dropped quite badly, if not mistaken, right? This one got reversal. You can notice the volume building up already. So okay, now let's look into weekly. Okay, yeah, they rebounded from this support here. At least this one is not that bad. Okay, and okay, this one also have been in downtrend for some time. Okay, not to say downtrend. I can say this one is a downtrend from 10 ringgit to almost 5 ringgit already. Hello, good morning, Ali. Okay, so from here, okay, I do see volume building up, but it's not the strongest volume. It's not the strongest volume. If you want to enter, I think okay, but looking for a little bit of short term first. Okay, because if you notice over here, right, every time when it try to retest, okay, previous so-called resistance, it will turn a little bit to support and drop again. So maybe here you want to, okay, you want to focus here, okay, which is around 6.5, okay, 6.5 area. Maybe you want to focus. So I think short terms, based on big picture, short terms rebound possible, okay, because volume I can see on daily basis, this volume here is slightly building up already. Okay, so if you really want to exit, I think you can use this so-called support. I think you can use this potential S1 level as your potential support. Okay, but again, if you ask me, not the best one so far. Okay, but yeah, current market is like that. Nothing is great at the moment unless you are looking for something long term. So long term, okay, let's look into analyzer. 4 out of 9. Okay lah, boleh lah. Okay, for long term. So okay, Edwards, DCH may have found a base with shakeout and recovered. May look see. Okay, let's look see DCH. Okay, yes, I agree. This one I think is a bit similar like MHB, if not mistaken. A bit similar MHB. Okay, of course, trend wise, not the strongest yet. Okay, because I don't see any. Here should be a nice volume for reversal lah, but tak jadi lah in the end. So okay, now, but for I have to agree for short term purpose. Okay, maybe we can look see a bit lah. Okay, so first of all, last week close gap, the increasing volume. Okay, but maybe a little bit close with this so-called immediate resistance. Yeah, slightly a bit close lah. Huh? So if you can enter close with support, I think it's a good. Oh, this is 20 cent counter lah. So I think okay. If let's say 20 cents to this R1 over here, 24.5 cents, 10%, still bully. Okay. Yeah, I think can focus a little bit short term because of there's a shakeout. Base building, but haven't seen any strong volume yet to really change the long-term trend. Okay, probably can do a little bit of range trading and hopefully maybe can retest somewhere around here also, 270 area. Okay, now MHB I think also having these patterns, if not mistaken. Yeah, MHB. MHB also got okay here. Okay, shake out. Let's see today can hold or not today so far, but this is only the first trading hour. All right, so far it's still got low volume. Okay, let's say can hold above here, which means this is like a shakeout retest. Okay, shakeout retest, something that we talked about on Friday also. So okay, let's look into my trick signal again. I don't think of anything. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into? You can let me know. If not, probably we can end our section early. Icon. Okay, icon so far today, trying gaps. I cannot say it's close gap because we still got lots of hours to go. Now it's only the first trading hour. So far looks good lah. Yeah, so far looks good lah. But sometimes market's a bit tricky lah. Like JT Group also the other day, a lot of people told me, hey, JT Group close gap ready but in the end, it formed a shooting star. Kena tipu lah. Then market reverse back again. Okay. So again, nowadays market is weak lah. So yeah, lots of shooting star might happen, especially towards the gap area like JT Group also. Okay, I look into MBSB and Ecover. Okay, MBSB and Ecover. Okay, so far still good. Okay, MBSB percent I'm still holding. Okay, the few that I'm holding, the rest I mostly I troubled already. Keep some cash right now. MBSB I'm still holding. Okay, because this really low volume just sideways. I don't see anything that here got shakeout lor. Okay, I think worst come to worst 81 cents. Okay, 81 cents probably will retest somewhere around this area here. So if I have lower risk, probably I want to wait for 81 cents, which is the current S1 level. Okay, so now let's look into Ecover. Okay, Ecover also same thing. Okay, if you ask me right now, I feel slightly not that comfortable. Okay, to look for the entry. Okay, why gaps? They are trying lots of time but cannot go through, and this one few candles drop with increasing volume. So if you want to enter, okay, because long-term trend still nice, uptrend. So but here I think this S1, S2 S2 level 145 or maybe here 147. Okay, 147 should be your last line of defense. Okay, which means if drop here, okay, you have to decide already. You have to decide. Okay, but so far cannot cross the gaps. I think the trend is still weakening. Now, if you look into weekly, let's check weekly. Okay, something that also need to be careful. Okay, again, like I say, normally trend change with volume. Okay, doesn't matter down, up or bottom or top doesn't matter. So if you look into here, right, when the high volume came in, okay, just now I think Edward mentioned about DCH. I think DCH somewhere around here. Okay, maybe another high volume, it will slowly change the trend already. So normally high volume, it can change trend. Okay, so over here also high volume. Okay, you can see here something spike up, right? Then it dropped. Okay, so here also not the highest, but this is a big shooting star. Okay, not the highest. So I think that maybe a deeper pullback might happen. Like for example, maybe like this here because some high volume shooting star maybe a deeper pullback potentially might happen. Okay, for few of these counters, especially like those property all very hot, right? Okay, let's turn to SP30 also. But SP30 because of the UK project. Okay, so here we got some high volume today still going down. Any others like Marsing? Let's try Marsing. Okay, so once again, if you like my section over here, okay, appreciate if you can help me to click the thumbs up, help me to share this out. All right, and then if you know we have this Telegram, join my Telegram. Okay, if you're in the Telegram, you can also post something, comment something, so we can have more, interaction inside. Okay, so over here also shooting star high volume. Okay, very important now, 149 AV for Marsing, but so far, okay, as long as holding around this level, but going up with increasing volume. Okay, normally going up with increasing volume or cumulative volume. Again, like I say, normally trend probably will change a little bit. Okay, so watch out at the support. Okay, now last one before we close WCT. WCT. Okay, same things. Okay, today rebounded from S1. Okay, so that's why for those that who trading this kind of patterns, right? S1 very important. Okay, I think just now we go through a few counters also same things like S1 very important. Okay, but again, like I said, as long as it yet to close here, I will still feel not the best one. Okay, but if you really want to, S1 will be your last defense. That last defense. Okay, anything drop below, you have to chop it quickly. If not, you will see inverse pullback coming already. All right. Hopefully it's a shakeout lah. Okay, hopefully it's a shakeout lah. Okay, but here volume drop with a bit increasing lah. So sometimes a bit takut also. Okay, weekly wise, I think still okay. Hammer didn't confirm, so something that also I feel that not so comfortable also. Okay, now in short for WCT, this is go for adjustment. Okay, S1 is your main support right now. Okay, daily trend definitely is not the ideal currently. Okay, here is your resistance. If let's say it goes up again, form another shooting star. Okay, like JT Group, all this, maybe take profit first lah. Okay, that's I think what we can do right now. Again, no buy and sell call again, depending on whether you're looking for long term or short term. But for me right now, I'm focusing short terms. Looking for the sell that I wanted. Maybe it's shake out. Hopefully somewhere around this week we can see more. Pullback definitely don't have much currently. I don't think we got lots of pullback because mostly actually they're trading below 2040s already. Okay, if let's say there's no questions, probably we'll end our section this morning. So once again, thank you for joining me. Like I said, if you want to support XIFU, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. Join my Telegram, okay, for more discussions, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.